This is a real hot track by Mayhem Lauren featuring none other than Action Bronson.
Doing 100 on the highway. Fast cake, I do it my way. Fast cake, I do it my way. Head to toe labels on deck, do it the flyway. Doing 100 on the highway.
The track is titled 100 Miles Per Hour of Mayhem's Pyramid LP. The track was produced by Buck Wild. Rapsody recalls the Kendrick Lamar collaboration, Complexion, A Zulu Love, for his To Pimp a Butterfly album. Ninth Wonder relayed the message that Kendrick was interested in working with her. Nearly 2 years later, Rapsody and the Ninth got the call. Mr Dex, Mad Flow and Psycho Mantis bring you VisionBombing 8. This edition hits you with videos from Amy True, G-Bag, Joey Badass, Maestro and your old Droog. Plus special guest appearances by DJ Devastate and DJ Chucks from Other Soul Crew. Wordplay Magazine kicks off 2015 with their 14th edition, with their main focus being the very talented Chester P. This will be the first time the man of inspiring words goes deep into history, experiences and plans for the future. Our dude Kish Kash recently filmed for forthcoming Channel 4 show, Dealmakers. Kish was drafted to educate a pawnbroker on his poor knowledge on sneakers as someone approached him to pawn some high-value kicks. Expect to see Kish Kash on your screens later this year.
Shante, bitch.
So we're all in the over 18s getting turned up. Meanwhile, Nick Jr., the toddlers be getting down. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, running through the sky.
You know the song? I fucking hear it every day. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. We're going on a trip.
Shut the
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky, little light. 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through.
Okay, class, field trip time. Yeah, we're going on the trip to the favorite rocket. Shut the.
Click the link to subscribe. Catch us every Friday morning at 10:30 GMT, where you'll get the latest in hip hop news. I'm Shante, and you've been watching Itch FM's Weekly Winder. Rapsody recalls, I can't remember what they recall. Rapsody recalls creating the Kendrick Lamar complexion. Rapsody recalls creating the Kendrick Lamar collaboration, Complexion, A Zulu Love, for his the pimp, it can't stop coming out. To pimp a butterfly, to pimp a butterfly, to pimp a butterfly, to pimp a butterfly, to pimp a butterfly.